Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. Artfully crafted inside and out, this XTS immerses you in the experience of luxury. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, power tilt-down heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth streaming audio, heated steering wheel, front wheel drive, automated parking sensors, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. The Car Connection comments, "From the inside out is probably the way that Cadillac would want you to see the XTS, with a swoopier look, softer details, and plenty of smooth contouring inside, contrasting with beveled, tightly fitted metallic trim pieces." For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.
For value.